What is the latest technology for woodworking? That's a question I've been hearing a lot lately, especially from beginners who feel overwhelmed by all the new tools popping up. And honestly, I get it. Woodworking used to be simple, just a saw, a chisel, and patience. But today, technology is changing everything. Before we jump into the insane tools that are transforming workshops right now, let me quickly share something helpful. Over the years, one of the biggest struggles I've noticed with woodworkers isn't just tools, it's knowing what to build and how to build it properly. That's exactly why I started recommending a woodworking resource that gives instant access to 16,000 woodworking plans, DWG and CAD plan viewer, 150 premium step-by-step videos, full woodworking guides, and even training on how to start a woodworking business. What I like about it is this. It actually connects really well with the question, what is the latest technology for woodworking? Because modern tools become way more useful when you already have professional plans to follow. Instead of guessing measurements or wasting expensive wood, you're working from proven designs. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Anyway, let's get into the fun stuff. So, what is the latest technology for woodworking right now? Some of these tools honestly feel like they came from the future. The first one that blew my mind is CNC woodworking machines. If you've never seen one in action, imagine a computer controlling a cutting tool with insane precision. I've watched people carve detailed patterns, signs, and furniture parts that would take hours by hand. But with CNC, the machine does the heavy lifting. You just design the pattern on a computer and let it work. A friend of mine used one to make custom wooden wall art, and the level of detail looked like something from a high-end furniture gallery. Next is something that's getting huge lately, laser cutting and engraving machines. These are becoming more affordable for home workshops. What I've noticed is that many small woodworking businesses now use lasers to personalize products. Think engraved cutting boards, custom logos on furniture, or detailed decorative panels. It's one of those technologies that instantly adds a premium feel to simple projects. Now here's another tool that people don't talk about enough: smart digital measuring systems. I used to rely only on a tape measure, and yeah, it works, but digital measuring tools reduce mistakes like crazy. Some even connect to mobile apps, so your measurements go straight into your design software. For anyone asking what is the latest technology for woodworking, this is one of those quiet upgrades that saves tons of time and wasted materials. Another game changer is automatic dust collection systems. This might sound boring compared to lasers and CNC machines, but trust me, it matters. Modern workshops now use smart dust collectors that automatically turn on when a tool starts running. Cleaner air, less mess, safer workspace. And honestly, once you try it, you'll wonder how you worked without it. And finally, one of the most exciting technologies right now, AI-assisted design software for woodworking. This is where things get really interesting. Instead of spending hours figuring out dimensions, some programs can now help generate furniture designs automatically. You choose the type of project, adjust the size, and the software creates a plan you can build. It's like having a digital woodworking assistant. So when people ask, what is the latest technology for woodworking? The answer isn't just one tool, it's a whole ecosystem. CNC machines, laser engravers, smart measuring tools, automated dust systems, and intelligent design software. Together, they're making woodworking faster, more precise, and honestly, a lot more fun. But here's something I've personally noticed after experimenting with many of these tools. Technology alone doesn't guarantee great results. The real difference comes from having the right plans and guidance. That's why I mentioned that woodworking resource earlier. When you combine modern tools with 16,000 ready-to-build woodworking plans, CAD viewers, step-by-step video training, and full guides, it removes a lot of the frustration beginners face. You can literally pick a project, follow the plan, and start building the same day. If woodworking is something you're serious about learning, or even turning into a small business, you might find that really useful. The link to access those plans and guides is in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And now I'm curious, When you think about what is the latest technology for woodworking, which of these tools surprised you the most? CNC machines, laser engravers, or AI design tools? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering these insane woodworking innovations, stick around because the future of woodworking is just getting started.